Lip sync is easy. I will teach you the techniques. First, we are going to import the sound. So file, import, import to library or to the stage. So I will import first into the library. And then my file name is Kiss Me that I edited earlier. Okay, and then here it is in the library. And then we are going to play it.
Kiss me sweet,
testing.
I'm sleeping in silence.
Then we are going to add a new layer and rename it as sound. And in the library, right click the sound that you are going to use and drag it to the stage. Of course, never forget to change the frame rate per second, 24 to 12 frame rate per second. Then we are going to add a new layer again and rename it as label. So we can follow the sound by not listening but instead in the label. Instead of listening repeatedly the sound for the lip sync, I'm just going to label it and then there you go. To make label, add a blank keyframe, then click the property tabs from the library, then label. Under the label, there's a name with a text box, with a box, white box in there. And then we are going to, there in the text box, on the text box, you are going to type there the label. To see if the frame is labeled, you can see a small red flag in the upper left of the frame. And then paste the other words that I made earlier before I start this, of course. Then we are going to start the lip sync. Before we go to the mouth, copy the label. Okay, copy frames, and there you go. And then we are going to the mouth, double click, then add a new layer and rename it as label. Then I'm going to paste the frames that I copied earlier. So paste frames. Then on the layer 1, that is where I'm going to make the mouth. Then I'm just going to redraw a mouth for each label. Oh, you can also use onion skin so you can see the other frame from the beginning or before the frame and from the last frame or the after frame. Okay. So I will do the rest and then I will show you the final result. If you are having a problem or hard thinking to visualize the mouth on how you are going to animate it or on how you are going to draw, I show you here is the chart of the mouth chart.
Kiss me sweet, I'm sleeping in silence. Kiss me sweet, I'm sleeping.